How to be a YouTube millionaire. It's a math problem in my mind. Assuming a $2 CPM, you would need 1 billion views to get $2 million. And assuming 50% of your money gets taxed, which could be less, but it's a good amount to set aside, 50%, and it can vary depending on your financial situation, then you have $1 million in cash, what have you. In order to become that, you have to break it down into views. How many views can you get per video? We're going to assume that we don't have unlimited time where we can put out 1 billion videos of quality. I'm sure if we did something nefarious, we could put out 1 billion views on 1 billion videos, 1 view per video. What we want to do here is come with a strategy to get to that special mark, 1 billion views. And we're going to assume that the subscribers are going to, we're going to assume the subscribers will come along with that. Necessary 1,000 subscribers and a necessary 4,000 watch hours per year. All things, everything else, and the other variable remaining the same. Ceteris paribus for you economic people out there. My strategy, and even though I have a variety channel, is, hey, can you get 10 videos with 100 views? Can you get 10 videos with 1,000 views? Can you get 10 videos with 10,000 views? Now, that might not necessarily happen immediately, but some videos can boost up later on, like mine are. And then can you get 100 videos with 10,000 views to show that you can consistently get that amount of views? Can you get 100 videos with 100,000 views to show you can consistently get that amount? And anything over that is gravy, and you'll be on your way, assuming a $2 CPM, to 2 billion views. Whether you got to pick up your pace or not of video making. It's just about having that strategy. What kind of views can you get on your videos? Preferably, you want a niche kind of channel. With a niche, you can kind of get a solid base because people know what to expect from your channel. If you're all over the place variety like me right now, it could take you longer to get certain metrics. Impossible? Of course not. It'll take you longer to hit certain metrics, and your time, your point of when you'll make money, it'll just be pushed, back a little bit further. But you can still do it. It's not impossible. It's just going to take longer. And maybe that might be for you, because that's the only way you can crank out lots of videos, if you can't niche down on a particular subject and keep going. But the end goal is to get to 1 billion views. Obviously, you don't want to take a long time to do that because, hey, trading time for money. But that also depends on how many videos you're making. And I'm assuming, on average, your videos about 10 minutes. Longer videos, hey, you could get more money per video. So, anything can happen. So I'm just assuming the $2 CPM on a standard 10-minute video. Irregardless is not a word, more of a colloquialism. So regardless of whether you make a long video, short video, this topic or that topic, obviously if something is more vulgar in nature, appeals to somewhat of a younger, juvenile kind of audience, you might not get as much money as something that's going to appeal to people more money, business, and maybe even tech. Who knows? But I assume the tech people are doing all right. I'm sure you can run ads for various phones, computers, high priced items like that, TVs, or what have you. So yeah, it's just about a game plan. When you make it, I'm going to assume most people are going to niche down. Hey, you set out small goals until you can consistently make videos that get 10,000 views, 100,000 views. I'm not going to assume you're going to get a million because that's probably for someone more established. But hey, we've seen people come out the gate and get videos with 100,000 views, especially if they're the first one to talk about said product or said subject. So it's not impossible for a regular person to get 100,000 views. If it's good content they're making in that niche or just in general, they can grind their way with 100,000 views per video. Anything over the top, hey, that's a little extra gravy. Get you to your destination quicker. And depending on how many videos you put out per month, if you will. So, that being said, if you have a higher CPM, say at $10 CPM, and that means by the time you get to 1,000, well, when you get to 1,000 views, $10, 10,000 views, 100,000 views, $1,000, million views, $10,000, 10 million views, $100,000, 100,000 views, 1 million, 200 million views, $2 million, assuming 50% tax, you could reach your point with a $10 CPM at 200 million views. Depending on what your CPM is, it can vary. But I just like to assume a $2 CPM. Hey, do what you got to do to get yourself to a billion views. And that's the best way to guarantee yourself that you can make $1 million. And with that $1 million, you're calling how you want to do it. You're calling how you want to invest it, have it make more money for you. This isn't a video about that. This is a video about, hey, how can I clear $1 million in my bank account? You just got to strategize a little bit, see what you can do that can get them views. And hey, that doesn't mean you stop something necessarily because it's low view, you're putting out good quality, but it's saying, hey, maybe you need to make a tweak to your content. Hey, maybe you need to wait a little bit and put in more work and keep grinding. And eventually people say, hey, I know this kind of video. Let me watch, let me share it, and that can work. So you don't know, but you do have to put out videos in order to get more views in order to get that $1 million. So, hey, can you make 100 videos that get 10,000 views? Cool. And depending on what your CPM is, you can keep grinding away at that. Can you hit 100,000 views? Cool. Keep grinding away at videos with 100,000 kind of views. I just put those milestones in place to see, like, what can you do? What can you do to reach that audience? Do you need to promote it more outside of YouTube? Do you need to be more search friendly, or are you being too focused on yourself as opposed to the people out there? Even though you should always incorporate yourself into what you do to put your own spin and twist and flavor on things, but you still want to find a way to target what people are searching, if you will, because that's the easiest way to get views until it's being recommended, suggested, and browse features, etc. Are you implementing those strategies? So yeah, that's why I put those particular milestones in place. Say, hey, can you do this? Can you do this? And so you can measure yourself to say, okay, maybe I need to switch this up a little bit. Who knows? But yeah, you should just have a goal in your mind. You should have a count to say, hey, maybe I got to grind it out to these many videos to get these many views to get that money. And you always have to factor in, are you trading, trading time for money? But hey, most people start part-time at YouTube, doing YouTube, and then you just kind of go full blast on it. Or you can still go full blast on it depending on what kind of content you make and how long it takes you to record it, edit if need be, and put it out there. So yeah, you have to, see how it fits your own situation, but at the end of the day, it's about putting out videos and views per video, and the rest will fall into place. So you might have to start a new channel. Okay, cool, whatever. Learn from your old channel. That's fine. We just have to get a good view clip per video. At a certain point, whatever you determine, to get that snowball effect and get going to get to that $1 million so you can invest it, put in your retirement account, etc. And once you do it, you kind of know how to do it. Keep it going. Or if you had to start on a new topic with a new channel, you know what to do. Keep it going. So yeah, that's how you become a YouTube millionaire. It's just a math equation. It's a math problem. How many videos you got to put out? How many views per video? Assuming a $2 CPM. Assuming about a 10-minute video. Everything else remains the same. Get that billion views. So yeah, that's my advice. Set those marks. Set those goals. See what you got to do to get those marks. 10 videos with 100 views. 10 videos with 1,000 views. 10 videos with 10,000 views. 100 videos with 10,000 views. 100 videos with 100,000 views. Get it going. Get it revved up. Walk away millionaire. I got this channel, Iceberg Gym. Got another channel, Ice King Interactive. We'll see. CPMs can vary all across the thing, but you say, hey, did I put out enough content and get enough views for that right now? No, but we'll see. Like I said, I'm going to have a couple of shots in it. It's almost like a lottery, if you will. And it doesn't take me long, usually, to make the videos that I make. I usually don't have to go through many takes. I'm not a kind of guy. So I don't have to chop up my videos a lot. That's just not what I do. I'm a little bit smoother in speech, especially when I'm focused. I figured that out by the end of high school. I can zero in. I don't mind the pauses. I could pause it out like Bill Clinton when he was giving his speeches in his prime. No need to rush anything. Take your time. Easy like Sunday morning. That's my take. I probably won't have to edit this video. Iceberg Gym out. Deuces.